form. Your chances are now at 5. Stop. The background will change again if you turn off again. You know what? If you turn off again, I'll automatically set your chances to 1. Okay, you asked for it. Yeah, that's right. This is your last chance. Don't do it, or else you will enter the code. Okay, that's it. Code time. You need to enter the code within a limited time. Do your worst. Ha. I'm sorry, but that was wrong, and that's outdated. Let me show you the correct code. 2, 4, 6, 8, 14, 15, 16, 17, 23, 26, 42, 64. If you enter that, you will be safe, but no. It's time to punish you. You did not listen to me about turning off your computer. That's it. You are grounded for.
Oh my god, you turned off your computer while I was grounding you. That's it. You asked for the ultimate jump scare.
You know what?
Your computer had been crashed. Please buy a new system.